My dad is pilot.
In this video, we can see the helicopter picking the people from the water. They hang the helicopter landing gear till they're ready to land. Finally, they were saved. Here is the beautiful flying of the Boeing 747 airplane. Wow, it's superb. This plane gets stuck into the power lines while flying. In this video, the fighter jet intercepts the small airplane in midair. This 787 airplane slides off the taxiway, while it was being moved by the ground crew. Here the fighter jets are flying in beautiful formation. Wow, it's superb. Here, the airplane wing hits the truck during taxiing.
Whoa! Did you see that? Yeah.
Here the small airplane crashes during an air show. Ooh, oh my god. This pilot lands the airplane on a short runway which is made for small-size aircraft, where the standard size of the runway for this airplane is 2,200 meters.